Hi, I'm Vinod from Dell Technologies. In this demo, we will see how to deploy and configure PowerProtect Data Manager on Google Cloud. As a prerequisite, see PowerProtect Data Manager Google Cloud Platform Deployment Guide for details on preparing for deployment and deployment requirements. Log into the Google Cloud Marketplace portal and click Explore Marketplace. Type Dell PowerProtect Data Manager and PowerProtect DD Virtual Edition in the search column. Select PowerProtect Data Manager and PowerProtect DD Virtual Edition. Click on Launch. From the new PowerProtect Data Manager and PowerProtect DD Virtual Edition deployment pane, configure the PowerProtect Data Manager instance. Enter the instance configuration parameters such as deployment name, data manager version, zone, and network interfaces. Enter data manager name, machine type, SSH public key which is optional, custom DNS server IP address, data manager IP address, and data manager FQDN. By default, a DDVE instance is deployed with data manager and launched in the same subnet. You might choose not to deploy DDVE if you already have an instance deployed or if you are performing data manager server disaster recovery. If selected yes to deploy a DDVE instance, configure the instance with parameters such as DDVE name, select the machine type, select number of metadata disks, SSH public key which is optional. In this demo, we will be deploying both data manager and DDVE instance. Click I accept the GCP Marketplace and Dell Technologies terms. Click Deploy. From the Deployment Manager Deployments pane, we now see the Data Manager and DDVE instance deployment is in progress. We will wait for the deployment to get completed. Deploying Data Manager and DDVE can take up to 10 minutes. The deployment has been completed successfully. Let's navigate to VM instances from Compute Engine option to view the Data Manager and DDVE instance. We now see the Data Manager and DDVE instance is up and running. Let's log into Data Manager console. From a Windows host that is deployed on the same subnet, let's log into the Data Manager console using the private IP address of the Data Manager appliance. Enter the private IP address of the Data Manager appliance. Here we go. We are on the Data Manager welcome pane and ready to configure the appliance. Please see Data Manager Deployment and Administration Guide for more details on how to configure the Data Manager appliance. We will also now log into the Data Domain System Manager console to verify the DDVE deployment. In the web URL, enter the DDVE appliance private IP address. With username sysadmin, and the initial default password will be the DDVE appliance instance ID. Click on login. Yep, we now see the DDVE appliance has been deployed successfully and ready to configure. Please see DDVE deployment on Google Cloud White Paper and Administration Guide for more details on how to configure DDVE appliance on Google Cloud. This concludes the demo on deployment and configuration of Data Manager on Google Cloud. For more details on this topic, see the technical white paper, Data Manager Deployment and Configuration on Google Cloud, and also refer Data Manager Google Cloud Platform Deployment Guide. Thanks for watching this demo.